Good morning to everyone. I welcome you all class 3 EVS. Yes, today we will discuss a topic that is map. Okay, so about map, what you know? Yes, see here students, to identify the simple map and their locality. So simple map we can be identifying, and so in the locality also we will be finding. Okay, so they can given here, see here students, they can given here one of the classroom. Okay, so like in your classroom. So in this classroom, blackboard is there, then chair, then table is there. These all are benches, and here windows are there and door are these there. Then dustbin is there. Students are sitting here. Yes, students also sitting here. So we can find out here. So they can given here symbols. These all are they can given here symbols. So in detail they can given here. So this like is there, no, that is a blackboard. Yes, and they can given here like this into mark, that is a teacher's chair. Okay, then this is a table. Okay, here see a student, that is the blue color circle is there, no, that is the Ramesh is a student. Then here they can given here what square. So red color square, that is a Riyaz, the student. Okay, and star they mentioned here, star means here Sheila. She's okay, that is a Sheila. Here the line circle is there, that is a Disha. Okay, then triangle is there, the triangle is Kevin. Okay, so this like it is a door, and these four are windows, that is a dustbin. So they can given here symbols and details. This is the oral classroom map. What we can call, this is a classroom map. Okay, so here the classroom map. First we can know the map. First we will see the direction: north, south, east, west. Yes, so what is the spelling of news? N-E-W-S. So from north side, east side, west side and south side they can collect all the information, the world, overall the world, so that we can call as news. So you are watching no news in TV? Yes, so that is the news. They collect the information all over the India, or all over the, so all over the world, or all over the India, that we can collecting the information, that is news. Okay, see here they can mention here. So Ramesh has marked his place on the second bench, which is on the right side. So which is on the right side, Ramesh. So he is the Ramesh. He is marked what? That place, that place, what means where he is sitting, that is in the right side benches. Okay, so then now look at the picture and fill in the blanks with the correct answers. See the index for help. So this index is helps to find out the directions. Okay, and here first one they can given here, door of Ramesh's classroom is situated in the dash direction. Door of Ramesh's, from Ramesh bench, that door is situated in the which direction? That is what? That direction is here, that is east direction. Okay, the next one. Then the girl who is sitting in the first row on the right side of Ramesh is, on the right side of Ramesh is who is sitting here? The star mark, that is Sheila. That is Sheila is sitting on the right side of Ramesh's bench. Okay, then next one. There is a dash between the blackboard and the table. So blackboard and table in between, what is there here? Chair. Yes, that is chair. Then next one. The thing which is situated in the northeast direction of the classroom is dash. Northeast direction. So north and east direction. So here see north and east direction, that is dustbin. What is there? That corner, dustbin. Okay, next one. Disha is sitting on dash bench on the right side of the Riyaz. So Riyaz right side, the which bench she is sitting? Disha. Disha is the mark here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is the fifth bench of Ramesh right side. Understood? Okay. So, draw a simple map of your classroom as Ramesh has done by marking the position of the things situated in the classroom. So, use a symbol for the things they can mention here. So, you are also draw a what simple map in our classrooms. So, who's are sitting in that place? So, will be symbol. Make the symbol and give the name. Okay. So they can given here, see, know this, a small sketch of a place which gives the picture of the shape of the place, border, features like rivers, hills, roads and buildings. So the position and distance between them is called as a map. See, map means what? That position, the sketch is in the place, so that can be mentioned in that sketch. Place they can mention, border also they can mention, then rivers, hills, roads, buildings, all they can be mentioned. So that is in distance between, how much distance is there from here, that place to this place. So that they can be measuring, that is we can, or all the things it can be including, that is map. The waste area can be represented on small piece of paper. Yes, see, they can be given here. So in the small piece of paper you will be mentioned that. So you have seen a globe, haven't you? So it can be represented in a flat on a piece of paper. So it is also a map. The entire earth can be then grasped at a glance into it. See here, in globe you know that is, yes, so in the globe this is the north pole and this is the south pole. In this globe we can be finding here, so where is our state, where is our district, yes, they can be finding state, we can be listing. So India map, you can see the India map. So in India map, where is the Karnataka, yes, so we will be finding the neighbors, which are the, so countries are there. So all over we can be see when the sketch, that is, okay. So learn about the uses of map with the help of your teacher. So what purpose we are using? That map is helpful to find out the what? So distances from one country to other country. Okay. Yes. So a model of map, a small village has been given here. Write the symbols and details is related to the pictures in the index with the help of elders or teachers. They can given here, this is a picture, okay, this is the map, okay. What they can given here in this map? Temples are there, houses are there, bus station is there, school is there, hospital is there, then panchayat is there, then pond is there, trees are there, roads are there, is overall is there in this village, okay. So they can mention here symbols and details, they can be mentioned here. So in these symbols, how we will be showing? So this is plus sign, it indicates what? This is hospital, yes, so this is hospital. Then so school symbol, how it can be measuring school symbol? So it can be measured like this is a school symbol. So it can be shows as school symbol. Yes, so it can be shows as school symbol. Then like this symbol they can be given here. So this is a church. Is there church here? See, is there, see, this is the church. Yes, so temples, panchayat, they can be given here. So mention the symbols and write down the details. Yes, this is the activity, that's your work. Then match the following, they can be given here. See students, symbols they can given here and details they can be given here. Match the following. Yes, symbol what they can given here? Here sun is rising. Where it is sun? Show the sun here. Yes, then next, tree is there. Tree where is there? Here you can be show the tree. Then moon. Moon where is there? These all are symbols. Moon. Yes, you can be mentioned here. House. So house is there here? Yes, house. Then man. Man is here standing. That picture is a man showing here. This is hills. Yes, so these are rivers. So we will also do like the make the symbols and write down the details. This is a match the following. Yes. Okay, students. So this lesson is completed. I hope you understood this lesson. Thank you for watching.